Embeds can be a handy way to quickly pull third-party tools, dashboards, and information into any of your new flows quite quickly. So once again, inside of our synced Flotion editor, if I hit this toggle labeled Embeds, I'll see there's a small list of pre-configured dashboards, widgets, even a Google Maps and a Spotify player, which we can rapidly generate and embed into any flow. So if I wanted to quickly generate a Google Analytics embed, I could hit this button, drag and drop it into this page, and I would have not only the embedded view of my Google Analytics dashboard from Data Studio, I'll also have guidance on how I can set up and link the data streams inside of this dashboard to my own analytics account, along with a copy of the template itself, which I can duplicate and create for myself. The Embeds tab is another example of a growing list of embeds, which if you have access to the Embeds widget inside of the Landmark Labs library, you can always go back, return to that Embeds widget and duplicate the latest copy without ruining your existing Flotion setup.